Hi, my name is Greg from Lacerte. In this video, I will be demonstrating the various in-product tools designed to help you find information to prepare a return. These resources include access to our online knowledge base, in-product help files, and access to a forum where Lacerte preparers ask and answer each other's questions. I will start my demonstration with the Ask Lacerte. Located at the top right of the program, this search field gives you access to our online knowledge base. This knowledge base has answers to simple "how do I" questions and more detailed answers to complex tax input. Additionally, this online knowledge base is the very same knowledge base that our support agents use to answer questions over the phone or by chat. To demonstrate the use of this search tool, I will search for something that is not uncommon, but you may need some help with, the amended return, the 1040X. A good way to start any search is to use the form number as part of the search. In this case, the form number is the only thing that I will type in the search field. Selecting Ask Lacerte will initiate the search. When you search the knowledge base, an internet browser will open with the results of the search. In this example, there is a recommended article. Not all searches will have a recommended article, but when you see one, it is the article you should start with. I'll select that article link. This article suggests creating a copy of the original and then amending the copy. You will want to keep an original intact for your records to be able to show the before and after amending. Expanding these two items will give you the details of creating the copy and then amending the copy. By using this knowledge base, you should be able to find helpful answers quickly to help keep you productive. An easily overlooked helpful tool is the Help tab at the bottom of the program. My program has this pane collapsed, but simply clicking on the Help tab expands that pane and shows the help contents. What's really nice about this Help tab is that the contents are dynamic and will change to display common questions for whatever screen you happen to be on. The program is currently displaying the Clients tab. These common questions reference items you may be interested in while at the Clients tab. Where this Help tab really comes into play is when you're inside a client. I have opened a client to screen 10, Wages, Salaries, Tips. The common questions are now pertinent for the income screen. For example, wage allocation for multi-state return, city returns, and using a substitute W-2, and so on. Additionally, there is a field description. My cursor is in the Name of Employer field. This section describes the field where the cursor is located. Now I have navigated to the Depreciation screen. As you can see, the common questions now reference information about depreciation, like-kind exchange, oil and gas depreciation dispositions, vehicle depreciation, and so on. Another way to access these help files is by using the F1 function key. On any input screen, if you place your cursor in an input field, then press F1, the help window will open showing the help files for that field. I will use the same income screen to demonstrate this. With my cursor in the Name of Employer field, I'll press F1. This is the help window for that field. As you can see, this is the same information we saw for this field when we had the Help tab open at the bottom of the program. The last tool I want to demonstrate is the Live Community. To explain why this has been added to the program, I need to explain what our support agents are and are not allowed to do. Our support agents are here to help you get some number on some line of whatever form you want that number to be on. Our agents do not offer tax advice. For example, our agents will not answer questions like, "Is this deductible? Can I take this credit? Should I report this income?" So where can you go to ask this type of question? The Live Community. The Live Community is made up of tax preparers that use the Lacerte tax program. This community is where you can ask and answer questions from other Lacerte users. So if you have a question that's more of a tax advice type question, you can post that to the community. If you need to ask the community a question, type the question in this field and select Ask. I will search the phrase, "Is this deductible?" An internet browser window opens and shows me all of the other questions that have been asked of the Live Community that match my question. You can look at all these other similar questions and answers and probably find the answer you were looking for. If you don't find a question that has the answer you need, or you want to refine the search, you can add to the search field at the top. If you cannot find an answer to your specific question, you can submit your question to the community. When someone answers your question, you will be sent an email with a link to your question and the answer supplied by the community. After watching this demonstration, you should now be able to use the tools in the program to answer questions that come up when preparing tax returns.